Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Eazy-Tech Solution. My name is Michael. So in this particular video, I will show you how to develop a logistic website, okay? Also known as cargo website. So I will show you everything that you need to develop this particular website, just as the one you are seeing on your screen right now. Okay, as you can see, the website has a very beautiful design. So I will show you how to develop something like this using the script. Okay, so I will be providing this script. This script will be available in case you need it. All right, so I will show you how the website work. Then I will show you the various features on how you were able to create a tracking number, okay, whereby whenever someone visits the website, they'll be able to track their parcel. So I'll be showing you everything that you need to know about this particular website. Okay, so this is the design. As you can see, we have the home page about us, then we have the services page. Okay, so we have the services page, then we have the contact us. So I will show you how you're able to change those information you are seeing on the website. Okay, so I will show you how you're able to change all the write-up. You can change it to whichever company name you are working with. So you can change everything. Let me go back to the home page. Okay, so you can change those write-up, you can change the logo. So I will show you how to make those changes. So you can change those write-up. You can change it to suit on the particular company you are working with. Okay, so that's it. So this is the tracking page. This and track and trace. All right, so this is where clients will put their tracking number. As you can see, it's a enter tracking number. So once a client enter his or her tracking number, you're able to track his particular parcel. All right, so you will see the particular information which you fill when you were creating this the particular consignment for the client. All right, so what I will do right now, I will have to log into the admin session. Okay, so I will type the admin email and then the admin password. Okay, this is the admin email. So I will type the password and click on login. All right, so as you can see right now, this is the admin section of this particular website. So this is where you're able to create shipments. So this is where you're able to create shipments for this particular website, whereby your clients are able to track their package. All right, so as you can see, those are the information which you will fill. So it's only the admin that have access to this particular session. So it's the admin that are able to create the shipment. All right, then you have to send the tracking number to the client. So you have to fill the sender name, the sender, the receiver name. We have the receiver phone number, email address, name of parcel, place of origin, destination. So you have to pick the status. Okay, so let's say the package is on pending, on pickup, out of delivery, in transit, en route, cancel, delivery, and then we have a return. So you have to be updating this particular status, okay, depending on the current status of the package. Okay, let's say for example you are just shipping the package. Let's say the package has been shipped already, you can put it to on transit. Okay, so that's how to update this particular status section. Then we have the weight, so you have to type the weight of the package. Then we have the weight in cubic meters. Then we have the size. Then we have delivery required by date. Okay, so that's the date that the parcel will be delivered. We have the estimated delivery date, estimated delivery time, additional comment. Okay, so that's if you have additional information to add to the package, so you have to type it on this particular session. We have the time created. Okay, we have the time created. Then we have the item image. So after filling this particular form, then you have to click on add shipment. Sorry, you have to click on add tracker. So as you can see, those are the various shipments which have been created already. So I will just have to copy this particular tracking number now. So I will show you as a demo. So what you will get after creating this particular, after filling this particular form. Okay. So those are the shipments which have been created on the website already. So I will go back to the website. Then I will paste the tracking number. Okay, so once I paste the tracking number, I will click on track and trace. Okay, so as you can see, this is the information which I fill on this particular tracking, on this particular parcel. So as you can see, this is the HBN number, then we have the sender name, then we have the receiver name, then we have the receiver number, we have the email, we have the parcel, so those are the information which I fill when creating this particular tracking. Okay, so anything you fill in this particular session, so that's what the client will see when he or she is tracking his package. Okay, so you have to make sure you put the right information in this particular session. So that's how to create tracking and how to track your parcel. All right, so I'll be showing you how to create something like this. It's very easy. I have the script already, so I will be showing you how to upload the script in just a few minutes. You're able to build this kind of website. All right, so I will also show you how to change those write-up you are seeing. You can change anything. It's very easy. It's just HTML, just little HTML knowledge. I will show you how to change those particular information. Anything you want to change on this particular website to suit the company you are working with, so you're able to change them as quickly as possible. All right, so thank you very much as we get started in the training fully. All right, guys, so welcome to the practical training on how to develop a courier tracking website. All right, so if today is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe and then click on the notification bell. All right, so as I always said, the first thing you need to do if you want to build any type of website, so you have to first of all purchase your domain name. Okay, so you have to buy domain name and hosting, so that you will have access to cPanel, just like the one you are seeing on your screen right now. So this is a cPanel that I'll be using for the purpose of this particular training. Okay, so you can get domain name and hosting from Namecheap. All right, thereby they will give you your cPanel login details, which you will use to access this particular session you are seeing on your screen right now. Okay, so once you have your cPanel ready, so you have to log into your cPanel. So this is the cPanel dashboard. Okay, so once you come to the cPanel dashboard, you click on File Manager. All right, so this is where we are going to upload our Courier script. All right, so we'll be uploading the Courier script on this particular File Manager session. Okay, so once you click on File Manager, you'll be directed to this section of the cPanel. So if, for example, this is your first time of uploading website on your domain name, so you have to click on public_HTML. Okay, so yours will be empty. I have website on the main domain name already. That's why you are seeing those files over here. Okay, but for the purpose of this training, I'll be using that is subdomain name. Okay, so I've created a subdomain that I'll be using for this particular training already, which is this one. Okay, this is the subdomain name. As you can see, it's empty. Okay, let me delete this particular folder. Okay, so let me refresh now. Okay, so as you can see, this domain name, this subdomain name will be used for this particular training is empty. So we are going to upload the script. Okay, so we'll upload the script on this particular session. So to upload it, you make sure you click on the subdomain name. Okay, So once you click on it like this, you go directly to the subdomain. Then we will have to upload the script. So to upload the script now, we have to click on upload here. Okay, so I have to go to my system. So this is the script. So this is the website, this is the Courier website files. As you can see, this is the script, then this is the database file. So this one we have to upload now. So I'll have to drag it to my file manager. All right, so as you can see, the file is uploading. So once the uploading is complete, you will see it will change to green. This particular color will change to green. So I will have to pause this particular video now so that it won't waste much of our time. Okay, so as you can see right now, the uploading has been successful. It's complete now. So all we need to do now is to click on this particular session to go back to the place where we uploaded the script. Okay, so this is the script. All right, so we have to click on the script and then right click. Okay, so once we right click, we have to click on extract. So we have to extract this particular script right now to our server. All right, so I'll click on extract files. Okay, so I'll click on extract files. So I will have to delete this particular zip file. We don't need it anymore. I'll delete it. So after deleting it, okay, let me refresh to be sure that it's no longer there. Okay, so I will right click on this particular folder to open it. So once it's open like this, I'll have to move this particular file to the main domain name, which is the subdomain name we created. Okay, so to move it to the main domain name. So what I'm trying to do now is that I want the files, the particular Courier file, to be on this section of the server. All right, so I don't want it to be inside a folder, so I have to move it to this particular side now. So I have to open the folder, then I will select all, then right click, then move. Okay, so look at what I want to do right now. So I have to delete this particular section. Okay, then I'll click on move files. All right, so I have moved all the files now. As you can see, they are now showing on this particular area. So that's what I want to do. Okay, so let's go over to our website now and refresh. Okay, so let's refresh this particular page. Okay, awesome guys, awesome. So as you can see, our Courier script is now live on our server right now. Okay, so the website is now running on the server. Okay, so that's how easy it is to upload your Courier script. Okay, so we are going to do some configuration now, because as it is right now, the tracking functionality has not been activated because we have not configured our database and then do the database uploading. Okay, so but the script has been uploaded on our server now. Okay, so the next thing that we'll need to do is to go over to our cPanel and then create a database and then upload our database file so that we can be able to track and then create shipments. Okay, so let's say for example now if we click on track shipment, so we'll not be able to track any particular shipment or this particular area because the database has not been connected to the website. Okay, so we'll go over to our cPanel. Okay, so to create our database now, we have to scroll down to where we'll find my SQL database wizard. Okay, this particular section, so I will have to click on it. Okay, so then you give your database a name. Okay, so you say new database, create a database. So we have to give our database a name. All right, so let's say I will just call the database name Tracky or Track. Okay, so I'll call it Track. Then I'll click on next step. Okay, so the database username, I will name it track as well. I'll name it track. Then for the password, I have to generate a password for that. Okay, so I will have to copy this password and paste on a notepad. Okay, so these are our database password. So I'll click here, use password. Okay, so I will click on create user. All right, awesome guys. So as you can see, this is our database username and this is our database name. Okay, so I have to copy this particular section also. I will copy it. Then I will paste it on notepad. Awesome guys, awesome. So I have to click on this particular section that said all privileges. Okay, this place is very important. You need to click on this section. Okay, then I'll scroll down and click on make changes. Okay, so as you can see, our database name and then our database user name has been created successfully. Awesome. So I'll need to go back to where we uploaded the Courier script earlier. So I will go back, then I will look for a file called db.php. Okay, so that's where we are going to configure our database information we just created. Okay, so I will click on it, I will right click and then click on edit. Okay, so I will click on edit here again. Awesome guys, so as you can see, this is the section we need to change. Okay, so we need to change our database username, our database password, and then our database name on this particular section. So I will come over here to where I pasted those information earlier. So I will copy. Okay, so as you can see, our database username and our database name is the same thing. Okay, so no need to come over here to copy our database name again. So I will just come here like this. Then I will click. I will paste our database name here. Okay, so then the database username, I will come here also and paste the username here. Then I will come over here and copy the password. Okay, so this is the database password. So I'll come here and then I'll paste. All right, so I'll paste like this. Then I'll save. Okay, so we have successfully saved those changes. All right, so the next thing we need to do now is go over to phpMyAdmin and upload our database file. Okay, so we have to import our database file so that the website can work properly. Okay, if you don't upload your database file, so there's no way you're able to track or create tracking on your website. So uploading of database file is very important. Okay, so you scroll down to where you see phpMyAdmin. Okay, so to where we see phpMyAdmin. So then we have to locate the particular database we created earlier, which is this particular one here, the track. Okay, so I will click on it. Okay, so once I click on it like this, I will have to click on import. All right, so we want to import our database file now. So I'll click on import. All right, so once I click import, I have to click on this choose file. So I have to go and select the database file from my desktop. All right, okay, from my system. So it's in download. Okay, so this is where the database file is. So this is the database file. So I have to double click on it. Then I'll scroll down and click on go. Awesome guys, awesome. So as you can see, the database file has been imported successfully. So our website is ready and running fine now. Okay, so we have successfully configured everything on the tracking website. Okay, so let's go back and refresh. Okay, so we have refreshed the page right now. So let's go back to the home page. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to let's say is to log into the admin section of the website. Okay, so we have to log into the admin section of the website. To log into the admin section, just your website URL/admin. Okay, so I just have to type admin here. Admin. Okay, let me open the main website in another tab, then the admin in another tab also. Okay, so once you get this script, the login details, the admin login detail will be provided to you. All right, so I'll have to log in now as the admin. Okay, so this is the admin email. So I will have to type the password. All right. So this is the admin section of the website where you'll be able to create tracking. Okay, so you're able to create tracking from this particular section of the website. Okay, so all you need to do is to feed those information: the sender name, receiver phone number, email address, name of parcel, place of origin, destination. So those are the information you need to feed so that you're able to generate tracking number. Okay, so that's how to do that. So I think I have some tracking on this particular database. So as I imported the database, there are some tracking which I have created earlier. So they will still be available on this particular new website. So I just have to copy one of them. Now let's track it. Let's see if our tracking feature is working properly. Okay, so I've copied this particular tracking. So I'll come over here. So I'll click on track shipment. Okay, so then I'll have to paste the tracking number here. Then I'll click on track and trace. Okay, so as you can see, our website is running fine. Everything is working properly. All right, so once you follow my step on the procedures that I did and that I did on this particular video, so you're able to configure it properly without having any issues. Okay, so it's as easy as you've seen me doing it on this particular video. There is nothing difficult here. Okay, so you don't need to have any technical knowledge before you're able to do those stuff. It's very easy and straightforward. Okay, so and another thing is, as you can see, you'll be able to print your tracking information. Okay, so you download it as a PDF. All right, so let me open it. Okay, so this is the tracking information. So you're able to download the information here as PDF. Okay, so that's it. All right, so the next thing that I'll be showing to you guys is how to change let's say the logo. Okay, so in case you want to change the website's logo, okay, the website is still loading. If you want to change the logo, all you need to do is to right click on this particular logo here. Let's right click, then we click on open image in new tab. Okay, so you have to open image in new tab. Then you have to trace the logo from this particular section. As you can see, this logo is on assets. So inside the script that you have uploaded on your hosting, there is a folder called assets. Okay, so inside the assets, there's another folder called images. Okay, then inside the images, there's another folder called logo before you meet this particular logo, this particular logo that you want to change. Okay, so we have the assets, images, logo. Then inside the logo we have logo/lights.png. Okay, so let's go and trace it now. So I will click on I will go back to the files. Okay, so we have asset, right? Okay, this is the asset. So this is the asset. So we have to open this particular folder. Okay, so we are inside the asset right now. So as you can see, so inside the asset, as you can see right here, it said asset, images, logo. Okay, so inside the asset, this is images. So we have to open this folder also. Okay, so inside the images, we have to locate another folder called the logo. All right, so this is it here, the logo. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the logo. So this is the logo we need to change. Okay, so all you need to do now is to this particular name, this logo light. Okay, so you have to copy this name. All right, so let's say I'll copy this name like this. Okay, so the image that I will be uploading, so I will need to go and rename my image with this particular name that you are seeing here now. Okay, so the logo that you want to use on your website, you need to rename it to this particular logo light you are seeing here, and it must be in PNG format. Okay, so it must be in PNG format. So once you rename it, then you can come over here and upload it. Automatically it will replace this image, this current logo that is showing on this particular section. Okay, so once you do that, you will come here. Once you come here and refresh. So once you refresh it, you will see that this particular logo that you are seeing here will change. Okay, so that's how to change the logo. All right, so if you want to change the content as well, so all you need to do is, okay, let's say for example I want to change this particular write-up you are seeing here, this reliable logistic and transport solution, save your time. Okay, let's say I want to change this particular information here, so I will have to copy it. So let me copy this particular write-up. Then as you can see, we are on the index page of this particular website. Okay, we are on the index page, so I will have to go to the cPanel where we uploaded our script. Okay, so this is where we uploaded the script. Then I have to locate the index.html. Okay, this is the page, you know, this is the page. This is where we'll find that particular write-up. So I will have to right click. Okay, so I'll right click and edit. Okay, so I will press Ctrl F on my keyboard, then I will paste the write-up. Okay, so as you can see, this is the write-up here, so I can change it now. Let's say, okay, this write-up here is saying reliable logistic and transport company. Okay, and reliable logistic and transport solution, save your time. Okay, let me just say I want to just leave it at reliable logistic. Okay, so let me say I want to remove those other parts. Okay, so once you change the write-up here like this, then you have to click on save. Okay, so let me come back here now and refresh. So let's see what will be showing here. Okay, so let me refresh. Oh, sorry. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, so as you can see, it's now showing reliable logistic. Okay, so that's how easy it is for you to change the write-up. Okay, let's say if I want to change this particular write-up here now, I will do the same thing. I will just have to copy it and then search. Okay, so I will make the changes. So if I want to change, let's say if I want to change this phone number, so I will also do the same thing. So just search this phone number and then change, as easy as that. If you want to change the address, if you want to change this particular session, so you also do the same thing. Let's say you want to change this particular section here now. I will copy it, then I will come over to the index page. Okay, and search. So as you can see, this is the write-up. I can say, let me just put this one. Okay, so let me change it to this and save now. Okay, so I will have to refresh this page now and see if it will change. Okay, so as you can see, the write-up has changed from the home page. So if you want to edit the, let's say the About Us page, you want to edit the write-up on the About Us page. So as you can see right now, this particular page now is about.html. okay, so any information that you want to edit in this particular section now should be on this particular section, should be here, let's say the about.html. so you have to right click, edit again. Okay, so then you will be able to make any necessary changes that you want to make on this particular page. So that's how to edit the information on this particular script. It's very easy. Okay, you can change anything. You can change the images. Okay, you can change the images. You can change the write-up. Okay, you can even change the colors and everything. So you can customize it. Okay, so you can customize this particular website to look different from this particular. I'll show it to you right now. Okay, it's very easy. All right, so thank you very much for watching my video, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I would so much appreciate that if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you need this particular script, so in the description of this particular video, so you'll be able to get my contact here, so you can reach me out on WhatsApp on how to get it, on how much to get it. Okay, so this script is not for free. All right, so it's for sale. If you need it, contact me, then I will tell you how much it costs. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video.